come to India, done so much for our country. So I want to know, if suppose you had to propose to Lara.
Brian Lara?
Brian Lara.
No, Lara, आप specify करो, आप, please.
See, don't mess with me. I meant Lara Datta, the beautiful Lara Datta. What would I say to her that she would have a date with me? Harbhajan, हाँ कह रहा है,
I need to ask my love guru for that.
हाँ, बता दे भाई.
Harbhajan Singh, I've taken tips from him. I call him my love guru. Whenever I have issues with women, I go and talk to Bhaji.
Bhaji?
So, अगर Lara Datta, I would say, अगर तुम्हारा house full है, तो मेरा घर खाली है.
That's very smart, Yuvraj. I'm wanting to know more. How would you say to Priyanka Chopra for me or yourself? You like her? You find Priyanka attractive?
Yeah,
she's very hot.
Yeah.
So how would you propose to her or say something on my behalf or yours?
I would say कि प्रियंका जंगली बिल्लियां मुझे बहुत पसंद है. कमीने कम हम भी नहीं है.
He said, जंगली बिल्लियां मुझे बहुत पसंद है, कमीने तो कम हम भी नहीं हैं.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Very honest and good.
It's coming from there.
ये तो हरभजन ने सिखाया तुझको. Okay, let me try another lady with you. How about Katrina Kaif?
I would say मैं बारिश कर दूं पैसे की. Sorry, मैं आगे बोल नहीं सकता क्योंकि अगर भाई आ गया बहुत मारेगा इधर.
मैं इसको तुझे बताना चाहता हूँ, भाई अगर यहाँ आया तो तुझे मारने से पहले मुझे बहुत मारेगा. तो तू बिल्कुल फिक्र नहीं कर. Okay, let me speak with Adam. Adam is a shy gentleman, really wonderful guy. I want to ask you, do you know what gilli means in India?
No.
Okay, gilli is like a sport we play, like gilli danda.
Yeah.
Oh, that reminds me, Dada, gilli ko team में ले लो. क्रिकेट खेले ना खेले, डंडा यहाँ से बॉलिंग करे, गिल्ली यहाँ पर विकेट कीपिंग करे, गिल्ली डंडा की टीम अच्छी हो जाएगी हमारी. Oh, sorry, that's one of the sports we play, gilli danda. Yeah, and gilli means it's like a bail. It's like an Indian version of cricket here.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And Yuvraj, इसको इंडिया बहुत पसंद है. So I want to teach you how to say, I like your mother country. Mother is Ma in India. So I'll teach you in Hindi. I saw an ad of Adam and I was really impressed that he knows Hindi. तो मैं इसको हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं तुम्हारी mother country से प्यार करता हूँ.
I must say the only Hindi line I learned in that ad was one that they told me it was talking. No, not the julab ad. No, another one where I had to talk about telling a young Indian lady how beautiful she was. So I rang Yuvraj because I thought he was the go-to man if I needed to sweet talk a young lady, and he told me.
Did she go back home with you?
No. She's still in the restaurant.
So that's the wrong guy. Next time call me or Harbhajan. We are the men.
Tum bahut khub sarat ho.
Oh, lovely, man.
So that's what he taught me.
Yeah, that's very pretty. And now we're going to teach you how to say, I love your mother country. So
yeah,
say,
which I do. I very much appreciate India. And
Tum. नहीं, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. Yeah. Okay? So every interview that you give...
Why are they laughing at me?
No, they're very proud of the fact that you're calling our country...
You stitched me up.
Not at all, Adam.
You stitched me up.
Do I look like the
You're
guy?
as bad as my teammates in that ad.
No, not at all. Ask you
about Kave.
What would the cricket... क्या बताया? सही बताया?
तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
We love our country, so whenever the next interview that you give for IPL, you should say it loud and clear and tell them I taught you this. Say it to the whole country and to Australia and to the rest of the cricketing world. मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. माँ बनने वाली हूँ. Perfect. Thank you, Adam. This is really nice. We as Indians are very proud of you. Thank you very much. And
you've stitched me right up there.
No, not at all. I just said that. No, like. Okay, let me be honest. I just said that you're pregnant with an Indian child. Okay, what I'm going to do is, Adam doesn't dance, he told me. I spoke with him earlier, and he said, I don't like to dance, and I am not a good dancer, but we have someone amidst us here who loves to dance. So I've got this young lady. Her name is Olga. Good evening, Olga. This is Mr. Adam Gilchrist. And this is whatever you want to call him. Yeah? Yuvi? Whatever you want to call him. Yuvraj is a dude. So what we're going to do is, because Adam is a little shy of dancing, I'm a little awkward with dancing, Yuvraj is going to lead because he learned from Olga. Can we hit it for Olga and Yuvraj, please? Right here? Oh, we need this. Oh, sorry. Oh, we need to wear this? Maybe तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. Can we have this dress, please? Okay, I'm sorry, Adam, we'll have to wear this. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to embarrass anyone, but come on, take off your jacket. Yeah. This is the new dress code in IPL from next year, if you guys want to know. KKR, nahi, Kings 11 Punjab. Okay, everyone, hit it for Olga. She's going to dance. Yuvraj is going to follow. Me and Adam will just watch. Go. Try it, Adam. Don't worry, yeah. I also don't know what she's doing. अच्छा कर रहा है Oh, they're stretching exercise. He's doing it well. Look at it. Lie down, you know, legs that side. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You can't. Close your eyes. Thank you, darling. You want to give it up? Give him a hug and say bye. Thank you, Olga, for being such a sport. God bless you. And thank you, Adam. You are fantastic, especially on top of Yuvraj. You were really. And thank you, Yuvraj. I hope तेरी सारी तमन्नाएं पूरी हो गई. हाँ?
मैं जाऊँ? आपने belly dance भी करा दिया.
सब कुछ करा दिया. I want to wish you the best of luck. You're a great player. Always remain so, and always be happy. God bless you, man. Thank you so much. If I take a little bit of liberties with these guys because they're young and they're my friends. And thank you, Adam. Great honor to meet you. And God bless you and have a good life, man. Thank you so much. Let's hear it for Adam and Yuvraj, ladies and gentlemen. All I want to say, you know, I would like to do this with every player here because I truly believe all the franchise owners have had a great experience. I think being in touch with all the players, I hope you have great futures. All the youngsters, जितने भी जवान लड़के इंट्रोड्यूस हुए हैं हमारी आईपीएल के अंदर, जितने भी यंग लड़के बाहर से आए हैं, I can only say prayers and hope कि आप लोग जो जो चाहते हैं वो अचीव हो. So all the youngsters, thank you so much for being a part of IPL. Thank you once again, Lalit, Vidra Saab, all of you guys, Gavaskar Saab, good evening, and everybody who's been associated with IPL and helping us do this. All the franchise owners, all my friends, and thank you everyone. Thank you IPL for making me have this experience. I hope you guys have a great life. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That was truly the unmatchable Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen. To give away the last two awards for this evening, may we please call on stage the very lovely Mrs. Neeta Ambani.
Viewers' Choice Award for the Sahara IPL Best Bowler.
Best Bowler 2010, Viewers' Choice. Pragyan Oja from Deccan Chargers. Zaheer Khan from Mumbai Indians. Ryan Harris from Deccan Chargers. Harbhajan Singh from Mumbai Indians.